Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be looking back at matplotlib. Just noticed that I did not put that in there. So alright, thanks for joining us. If you're new here, we build one topic onto another. So if you're caught off guard here and you're not sure exactly what we're doing, I'll put a card up here for how we did multiple plots. But alright, we're going to be learning how to actually title multiple plots. So alright, last time we worked with something like this. We had and we went plt.show. So alright, and if you are new here, thanks for joining us. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We've got videos all the time. So, alright, when we run this, we're going to get 4 little nice graphs, plots, and they're not going to have any information to them, but we're going to build on that. So, alright, this isn't very descriptive. So, the layout is a little weird, so we're just going to go at it one at a time. So we're going to go each plot. Now this is going to be a little weird, but we're going to go one at a time. So 0, 0, and then it's set title, and we're just going to get real creative and label this 1. So any guesses of which one this is going to actually, let's close this. So 0, 0. This one's pretty easy to wrap our head around. Let's make sure we can see this. Alright, so that's 1. Now, oops, didn't mean to do that. We are going to cheat, paste. Now we're going to change this to 1. Come on over here, change this to 2, and so on and so forth. Alright, so that's 1, 2. Now watch this. Let's do 1. Let's see where this is. This is going to be a little weird. Alright, so 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. You ready? Okay. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Any guesses what this will be? 1, 1. Alright. So let's paste this here. Change that to 4. And this needs to be 1, 1. So there we go. This is how we're going to start working with multiple, and we're going to bleed this into one of our other projects. And I think we're actually going to go next time, next time we're going to learn how to put a title over this entire thing, because we have descriptors here, but we also need to be able to, and guess what, there is a method for that, to name the whole thing, and that's our tease for next time. But thanks for joining us. Please leave any comments, questions, or my all-time favorite any video requests below and in the comment section, and I'll get right to it. And just to remind you, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if this is the type of video you like, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. And thanks again for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.